Welcome back. Now what I need to do is that I need to take the user to the single product page whenever they click on buy now. So for example, if the user is interested in buying this bag, then they would click on buy now. And by clicking on buy now, we want to take them to the single product page where we will display only that specific product and more information about that product. And from there, they can add it to cart. So the first step is that we need to convert the single product page into PHP. So I'm going to here rename this file, and then I'm going to say single product.php. So the file is no longer an HTML file. So now this single product.php is obviously a PHP file. The second step is that we need to add link to the button. So this button, I'm gonna add a tag, and I'm gonna surround it with a tag. I'm gonna surround it with a tag. So I'm gonna copy the a tag. I'm gonna copy the button, and then I'm gonna paste it inside the a tag. And then I'm gonna give this a tag href. I'm gonna say href. So the href is gonna be equal to single underscore product .php. Let me save and let me head on over to the browser and let me click on one of these buttons. So if I click on buy button, it should take me to the single product. But if I click on the second product, it's going to take me to the same exact page, and it's going to display it's going to display the first product. And if I click on the third product, it's going to take me to the same page, and it's going to display the first product. And obviously this is not dynamic because we are displaying now a static code. So we need to make the process dynamic, and then we need to display the correct product if we click on buy now. So how can we do that? To do that, we need here to say in the href, we need to add here a question mark and then product ID underscore ID is equal to, and then we need to get that ID from PHP. So I'm going to say here PHP, and then I'm going to say echo, and then I'm going to say product raw, and then product ID. Product. Let me close this. Product underscore ID, and then semicolon. So where did I get this product? Where did I get this raw from? This raw is obviously from this loop, and product ID is the ID of the product. Because if you check the database one more time, you will find that the products table, if you go to the products table, you should find that the ID is, the column for the ID is product underscore ID. So again, if I go to the products table, we have product underscore ID. So we can use this product ID. And you can, instead of doing this, which is a little tricky, you can actually copy this and remove it from here, and then you can add it in the echo. So you can add it here, echo, and here double quotes, and then here double quotes, and then dot, and then raw product ID. This is also going to work. So there are two versions. You can use the first version that I have shown you, or this version. Let me save and let me test. So this should take you again to the product ID, to the single product page. So I'm going to click on buy now, and it's going to take me to the product page. But now, guess what? Now in the browser we have here the product ID in the URL. So why did I pass the product ID? The reason is because by passing the product ID, I will be able to get the correct product information and display the product here. So if I click on the second product, I should here get product ID is equal to 2. If I click on the third product, it's going to say here product ID is equal to 3. So now it worked, and the next step is that we need to use this product ID to get the product information and display product information instead of displaying the static code.